Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. March, one of the best months for Bitcoin. BINANCE, CZ, and 3 influencers sued for $1 billion. BINANCE adds new stablecoins to its trading pairs. ELON and MUSK sued over DOGECOIN being a scam. New CEO at YUGA Labs. Cross-chain protocol ALLBRIDGE suffers $570,000 exploit.
If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
March, one of the best months for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is aiming for a 10-month high weekly close around $28,000. According to some analysts, BTC price targets have been set at $35,000, while it points to an overwhelming liquidity shortage. Thus, the current trading zone represents a significant hurdle for bulls to overcome, but if they do, price targets will extend beyond $30,000. Traders are waiting for the weekly close to consolidate previous gains, while other analysts, such as stock money lizards, are more pessimistic and describe a correction as very likely before reaching $30,000. Last month, Bitcoin saw a 23% increase, making it one of the best months of March for Bitcoin, as the 23% gains nearly match its performance in 2021. BINANCE, CZ, and 3 influencers sued for $1 billion. A $1 billion lawsuit has been filed against BINANCE, CZ, and 3 influencers for promoting unregistered securities. The law firms Moskowitz and Boyce Schiller Flexner filed the lawsuit in the Southern District of Florida, claiming that BINANCE promoted the sale of an unregistered security and paid influencers for illegally promoting such services. BINANCE and the influencers face the challenge of paying $1 billion in damages to investors. Although 3 U.S. citizens filed the lawsuit, the law firm claims that millions of people could be eligible for compensation for damages. Additionally, CZ and other senior executives at BINANCE have been concealing the cryptocurrencies' links to China, according to a report by the Financial Times. BINANCE claims that its 8,000 full-time employees live in Europe, America, the Middle East, Africa, and the Asia-Pacific region. BINANCE adds new stablecoins to its trading pairs. BINANCE turned to alternative stablecoins, including some decentralized ones, after the New York Department of Financial Services ordered Paxos to stop minting new BUSD tokens. BINANCE CEO Chang Pengzhao stated that regulatory restrictions would force other cryptocurrency companies to move away from dollar-pegged stablecoins in the near future and seek alternative tokens linked to the euro or Japanese yen. He also referred to the role of algorithmic stablecoins, which could play a more prominent role in the cryptocurrency ecosystem in the future. Decentralized stablecoins have become popular in the decentralized finance ecosystem, but their real-world implementation has had a problematic track record, especially with the collapse of the Terra ecosystem and its algorithmic stablecoin Teros USD. ELON and MUSK sued over DOGECOIN being a scam. Elon Musk asks for the dismissal of a $258 billion lawsuit filed by DOGECOIN investors accusing him of operating a pyramid scheme to promote the cryptocurrency. Musk's lawyers argue that his support of DOGECOIN on social media is too vague to warrant a fraud claim and that tweeting words of support is not illegal. Investors claim that Musk pumped up the price of DOGECOIN and then let it crash after his appearance on Saturday Night Live in May 2021, where he referred to DOGECOIN as a scam. The lawyer representing the investors is confident that their case will succeed. Musk has stated on Twitter that he is working with Doge developers to improve its efficiency and that he will not sell his cryptocurrency holdings. New CEO at YUGA Labs. Former Activision Blizzard executive Daniel Allegri is the new CEO of YUGA Labs, the startup behind the NFT collections Bored Ape Yacht Club and CryptoPunks. Allegri left his position at Activision Blizzard to join the NFT company on April 1st. With experience in the gaming, entertainment, and technology sectors, Allegri was a key player in Activision Blizzard's growth in recent years, overseeing popular gaming franchises like Call of Duty, World of Warcraft, Diablo, and Candy Crush. While ALLBRIDGE's arrival has been seen as a bold move in the game fee industry, YUGA Labs faces a class action lawsuit filed in December in the United States for allegedly misleading investors about the financial benefits of YUGA securities and for using famous promoters to attract more investors. Cross-chain protocol ALLBRIDGE suffers $570,000 exploit. Cross-chain protocol ALLBRIDGE suffers $570,000 exploit, according to blockchain security firm PeckShield. The hacker manipulated the swap price of the liquidity pool by acting as a liquidity provider and a swapper. CERTIC corroborated the report and detailed how the attacker stole approximately $549,874 by manipulating prices on ALLBRIDGE. Meanwhile, ALLBRIDGE confirmed the incident and temporarily closed the bridge for further investigation. In March, 2065 projects were attacked with a total loss of $211 million, according to PeckShield. The Euler Finance hack on March 13 was responsible for over 90% of the recorded losses. Overall, March was the most active month for hackers in the current year. The DeFi exploit rate has significantly decreased this year compared to 2022.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
Don't feel